number 48. Reading is fun. What did the wind do to get the man's coat off? This is the first question. Second question is, what did the sun do to get the man's coat off? Third question is, who won in the end? So these three questions I will write and I will give you the picture of this. So now we will discuss the next question. Who said this to whom? Who said this to whom? ये किसने किसे कहा है? We have to see. I can get his coat off more quickly than you can. किसने कहा है ये? I can get his coat off more quickly than you. So this wind said to the sun. Next one is, I will let you try first. I will let you try first. The sun said to the wind. How cold it is. Who said it? The man. लेकिन किससे कहा man ने? तो खुद से. The man said himself. अपने आप को बता रहा है वो. It is very cold. I give up. I cannot get his coat off. कौन हारा था? Wind. So who said this? The wind said to the sun. Last sentence is, I have won. कौन won हुआ था? कौन जीता था लास्ट में? So the sun. तो मैं जीता हूँ, ये किसने कहा सखी से? The sun said to the wind. So copy down it in the book. Now see the next. Let's think. Rohan tries to snatch Gita's new book from her. In the picture you can see there is one boy and one girl. The name of the boy is Rohan and the name of the girl is Gita. Rohan tries to snatch Gita's new book from her. What do you think is the best thing to do? Choose an answer. So Rohan is snatching the book from Gita. So what should he do? We have to see. Here are the points. Answers, options are here. So we have to choose right answer. Gita runs away with her book. So Gita ने क्या करना चाहिए? She should run with her book. Next is Gita fights with Rohan. So Gita ने रोहन से fight करनी चाहिए. कि Gita talks to Rohan. कि Gita ने रोहन से बात करनी चाहिए. कि Gita cries in a corner. कि उसने एक कॉर्नर में जाके रोना चाहिए. क्या करना चाहिए? We have to choose correct answer. So Gita should talk with Rohan. This is the correct answer. तो आपको क्या लगता है उसे क्या करना चाहिए? So you have to share your answer with your parents or with your friends. Now see the next page, page number 49. Say aloud. Find a rhyming word from the story for each of these words. Here are some words and for these words we have to select rhyming words from the story. Now this is bun. So which rhyming word is there in the book? Which is rhyming with bun? Bun, sun. Hold, cold. Boat, coat. Fan, man. Sunny, funny. Pot, hot. These are the rhyming words from the story. Here are, now let's write. Here are some doing words in the story. Doing words means the words which show the action. जो शब्द पढ़ के हमें कौन सी क्रिया चल रही है, कौन सी एक्शन चल रही है, उसका पता चलता है, उसको doing words कहते हैं. So these are some doing words in the story and we have to find 3 twin words from the story. Find 3 more twin words in the story that end in ing and then write them here. So there are 3 more words we have to find from the story. So first word will be wiping. It is not given here. Wiping. Then shining and puffing. Complete it. Now see the next point. Choose the right word from the box below and fill in the blanks. Choose the right word from the box. Here is the box, and in the box there are some words. We have to choose the right word from the box and we have to fill in the blanks. One day the wind, first we will read the words which are given in the box. Pulled, took, blew, felt, wanted, started. Now we will read the paragraph and we will see which word will be fit where. One day the wind and the sun had a competition. They dash to make a man take off his coat. So they wanted to make competition. वो क्या करना चाहते थे? कंपटीशन करना चाहते थे और कौन जीतने वाला है ये देखना चाहते थे. They wanted to make a man take off his coat. First the wind blew. पहले किसने चालू किया था कंपटीशन? विंड. So the wind blew hard. The man pulled his coat tightly. So when wind was blowing, the man pulled his coat tightly round himself. Then the sun dash shining hard. Then the sun started shining hard. The man, so when the sun was shining, the man felt hot. The man felt hot and when he took off his coat. So complete it. And now see the page number 50. Look at these pairs of words with opposite meanings. Here are the opposite words. Hot, cold. Opposite of hot is cold. Big, small. Strong, weak. Now write the opposite words of these given words. Good. What is the opposite word of good? Bad. Hard, soft. Tall, short. And opposite of black is white. So write these words. Write these pairs of opposite words in your notebook. One pair should be written at least 5 times. This is your homework. Write it in the notebook. Now crossword fun. Look at the pictures and complete the words in the puzzle. Here is the puzzle. The puzzle is given here and we have to write it. So first here you can see the picture of man. So what is the spelling of man? M-A-N. So which word is removed here? Which word is missing here? So it is M. M-A-N, man. This is first. Second one is what? You can see the picture of coat. So what is the spelling of coat? It is C-O-A-T. So O and A is given already. So here is missing C and here is T. Coat. Now next, number 3 is sun. So what is the spelling of sun? It is S-U-N. So U is missing. Now number 4. Picture of 4 is wind. What is it? Wind. So what is the spelling of wind? W-I-N-D. So in this way your puzzle is completed. Now it is team time. Act out the play. The wind and the sun. In class, make paper mask for the sun and the wind using colored chart paper. Every day, everybody can take turns to be the wind, the sun or the man. Now write 2 sentences about one of the masks. So here you have to make the mask, 2 masks, one of wind and one of sun. And you have to play the drama which is given in the story. And then you have to write 2 sentences about one of the masks. In this way complete this page number 50.